Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to launch day. You know, the anxiety gets up. We're like, I don't know, 6 weeks late on launch because of COVID-19 and sort of the restrictions province-wide in Ontario and pretty much all of North America. I get that. But we got the green light for boat clubs to go in. So we got a hold of our crane guy and he is ready to go. So today it's Saturday, May 23rd. And I am almost at the boat. I'm just pulling into town here. I guess like checked all the through hulls. We did the bottom paint. We did, you know, everything you do before your boat goes in. Make sure she's just ready to go, but you can't start it until she's in the water, so you don't know if she's gonna run. Our motor's relatively new though, so we're not overly worried about it. Yeah, so the plan right now is we'll get there. We got a ladder, like an extension ladder up the side of our boat, and it's tied on to the side of the boat so it doesn't fall down. So I got to get that ladder down. I got to hand in our paperwork. We got to hand in our insurance documents and sort of a waiver before we ever do our crane day. You have to sign a waiver that basically says, you know, if your boat falls off the crane, it's not the club's fault or the marina's fault or the crane's fault, that kind of thing. So normal stuff, I think, for anywhere that you go. This should be cool, guys. I'm going to film as much as I can. My job is going to be a control line with another guy named Luis. So our job is to the boats will have a bow line and a stern line, and our job is to hold those lines. Oh, birdies, watch out. Our job is to hold those lines while the boat sails through the air on the crane and make sure that we control the spin of the boat so that it's always pointed the right way so it doesn't hit the crane. It's a lot more involved than you might think because you're constantly avoiding things on the ground as you're chasing the boat, like the crane or other people or other boats or telephone poles and things like that. So that's my job. I won't have a lot of time to be holding the camera. So the crane comes over, positions above a boat, throw the straps under the boat, hook the straps up to the other end of the crane, and away you go. So I don't know who's going to be filming. I'm going to try to film as much as I can, so I'll take you guys with me as much as possible, as long as it's safe. So we're here. Let's do it. That's pretty cool, eh? I think we're going to go down and drop our ladder right now. Let's go. Our friend has always had a CNC 24, a CNC 25, I believe, and he got himself a new boat this year, and he just waxed it. It's right here. It's a CNC 30. She is pretty. Isn't that just a great looking boat? There's Jay's boat, Torin. That's our sister boat. She's a Hughes 38. It's I guess our big sister. And here's Lady K, all raring to go. We're just going to drop this ladder and we're going to get this car the heck out of the way because you can't be parked in here on crane day. Got our new anode on. You guys probably saw the pictures. So shiny. All right, let's go. The boat behind me, Avalon, she is looking sharp. He has been on that thing with like, that boat right there, with like artist brushes, getting in all the nooks and crannies, getting everything perfect. That, I mean, prettiest boat in the club by far. Very, very beautiful. Very ocean going too. She's also the heaviest boat. So at the end of the day, the end of crane day, the crane has to reposition just for her. I think she's some 40,000 pounds or something ridiculous. So it should be, it's always the interesting boat, and it needs 4 control lines instead of 2. But we have 0 wind today, so that should help. Okay, Kay, you ready to go, baby? Whew. Back in the water at last. A lot of guys are asking what our summer plans are. That answer is hard to answer because the border is closed between Canada and the US. So I think we're going to go up north. We're going to go do Tobermory, North Channel, that kind of thing. I mean, what else can we do, right? Ooh, big puddle. I'm going to get our ladder right out of the way here. Put it up here. So yeah, we can only go north. We might do some racing. I don't know. There she is. We got new lights. I'll show you guys. We're going to install those lights once she's in the water. A little easier to do once she's in the water. Whoop. Okay, I'm going to go down to the other end, park the car, hand in my paperwork, and I'll see you guys in a bit.
I guess I don't really have to because I gotta. You guys want to go fast?
Ooh, guess who's here? The Olsen. This guy wins single-handed Chicago to max. Leads his class by himself. Olsen 30. Look at how gorgeous she is. So our friends Derek and Allison's boat, Chrysler 22, ready to go. All right, guys, so we got, I don't know, 8 or 10 boats done. We got Baby K out there, Jay's driving her. Baby K's being the tow truck today, so any boat that doesn't run, Baby K's on it. Next up is Lucretia, right here behind me. She's a CNC, I think it's a 37 or a 38. She's got a swingboard, 7-foot swingboard under the existing keel. She's got hydraulics that bend the mast, front and back. There's one that goes from the foredeck halfway up the mast to pull the middle of the mast forward, and then a hydraulic backstay. So she's a wicked race boat. Very, very cool. Okay, crane's got a reposition. Next up is the pair. Club's got a pair of Endeavor 37s. These things are gorgeous. But look at how heavy they are. They're beasts. So the crane's way back here, and he's not going to extend the boom long enough to lift these guys from there. So he's actually going to pull way up ahead and get a good position over these two boats. Because they are quite heavy. So yeah, should be good. There's Lucretia in the water. We got all kinds of boats in the water now. Pretty good. So far so good. We're kind of watching these clouds off in the that's just south of us, and they do tend to move away from us, so we should be okay. Let's get this crane repositioned and carry on. Alright guys, Island Packet is next. Beautiful boat. Look at this thing. Big heavy girl, full keel. He just did all new instruments, new paddle wheel. He got this sounder. I want to get this for our boat right here. There it is. It's a speed paddle wheel, and it's got water temperature and depth all in one 2-inch module. So I think that's what Lady K is going to get next year. Excellent, excellent stuff. All right guys, time for touring. 18,000 pounds of Hughes. got Ron's boat, and then we got Lady K, and then we got the big bugger at the end, and then there's a Saber behind Avalon. So Lady K's number 4 now, 4 more boats. Should be awesome. And we're gonna have to see if she runs once she's in. We don't know. I think it will. I don't know. Who knows, right? Anyway, yeah, here we are. Six more boats and we are done. And it's only like noon. We are killing it. This COVID-19 thing's nice because nobody can actually spectate. So everybody stays the heck out of our way. And we can just hustle, hustle, hustle all day long. Really, really nice. Real quick. Cold beer o'clock real soon.